Hello, everybody. Here is our last comprehension check for the week 2 packet. Let's get started. Today, Mrs. Smith's class is learning about colors. She explains that the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. With these 3 colors, you can make secondary colors. The class works together to find new colors. Ben learns that you can make the color orange by mixing red and yellow together. Susan discovers that by mixing blue and yellow, you can make the color green. Patrick mixes red and blue together to get the color purple. So let's go over our questions. What are the primary colors? We're going to find that information, underline it in red, and if you want, you can write it on the lines. How does Ben make the color orange? You'll underline that with orange. So find the information, underline it, and write it on the lines if you would like. What 2 colors does Susan use to make green? You're going to find that information and underline it with yellow. What color does red and blue make? You'll find that information and underline it with green. Now, over here, they want you to color in the bubbles with the information that you learned. So over here, they want you to say, what are the primary colors? So there's 3 primary colors. You can just color in those circles. Ben learns that what color plus what color equals what color. Susan learns what plus what equals what, and Patrick learns what plus what equals what. If for some reason you don't have crayons, you could just write the name of the colors in the circles. So I'm going to have you go ahead, pause the video to do your work, and then we'll come back and go over the answers. Okay, boys and girls, so we're going to go ahead and go over the answers for comprehension check number 10. So the first question was, what are the primary colors? Well, she explains, it's talking about Mrs. Smith, that the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So I underline it in red, or you could write it on the lines. How does Ben make the color orange? Well, we underline that with orange. Ben learns that you can make the color orange by mixing red and yellow together. What 2 colors does Susan use to make green? Susan discovers that by mixing blue and yellow, you can make the color green. What color does red and blue make? Patrick mixes red and blue together to get the color purple. And then they wanted us to color in the bubbles with the information. So over here, we colored in our 3 primary colors, blue, red, and yellow. And we talked about Ben, because Ben learned that you can mix red and yellow, or yellow and red together to make orange. Susan learned that you can mix blue and yellow together to make green, and Patrick learned that we can mix red and blue together to get purple. So there are our answers for comprehension check number 10. Good job, guys.